gonna do here is actually clean the oil line out using CO2 cartridges to get any gunk that's built up in the oil line out of it, so we can get free flow of oil to the unit. Alrighty, so you don't get a CO2 cartridge. When you put the cartridge in there, it just has a little piercing valve that pierces the end of the cartridge as you insert it, and then it shoots pressure through here, through your oil line, back to your tank to clean out any sludge in the line or any buildup or crud in the line.
Like pop it right on top?
Yeah, so you just put the CO2 tool here onto your oil line. And we'll turn our oil line back on the other side and let it rip. So we're just turning the oil valve back on over here. Get that turned on all the way, and then we'll shoot the oil back to the unit. We just put that on there, and we're just gonna blow the oil back to the unit. We're actually gonna do that twice for this one, because it's a long line.
That sounded terrifying.
What's that?
That sounded terrifying.
Yeah, it bubbles a little bit, that tank. We're just gonna turn our tank off so we don't get any oil coming back to us here. Sorry, I don't mean to run away from you.
No, you're good.
So we got that oil tank now turned off, and then we'll go ahead and remove our CO2 gun and then see how clean or dirty the oil is coming through. Go the right way with the wrench. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Releasing the oil line and cleaning that out, how much gunk is actually in the line when we take this out was actually removed from the line during that process. So that's why we remove the filter, so it doesn't get all clogged up. Oh yeah, so you can see there's a bunch of gunk in there. That should be red, like Kool-Aid color. You'll see once we get it all cleaned up here, the difference between that and what it actually should look like.
You only have to do it like once, or?
What we just did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you can see how much faster it's flowing now that we did that. So that's semi-clean oil. Still a little gunk in it. And I'll show you on the other side what it's gonna look like once it's clean. Drop our filter back in. I'm gonna put our bolt in here with our new gasket.